Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And I'm so sorry that I didn't post in like 2 weeks maybe. But anyways, today I'm going to be doing a room tour, and I did do a video, like a room tour video, like 1 week ago, but it wouldn't post for some reason. So I'm gonna redo it and see if that will help with anything. I don't know if it will though. Anyways, so yeah, that's what we will be doing today. And let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so we're going to start with my bed. Do not mind this. This is messy edition. I didn't make it up this morning, but anyways, this is my bed. Nothing really fancy about it. And then I have this pile of clothes, which I forgot to put up, so I will be doing that soon. We also have this little area where I can put my shoes. I don't know. I think this spot was where my Uggs were, but I left them on the shoe rack. That's like, you know how they have shoe rack, but like it's not in the garage. It's like, you know, in the entryway of the garage. Yeah, that's where I put my shoes, I think. Anyways, here we have my squishy collection, and I will be doing a video because this, where's the other one? Oh, and a pink sand squishy, my first sand squishy that is outside, I think. I will be going over these, and I did like color sort them out like a few days ago. So that really helps with, you know, I don't know what it helps with, but it just helps. And then there we have my mirror, purple mirror. I don't know why my room seems like purple themed. I really don't know why. Anyways, we have my closet, and I kind of organized it a few days ago. But yeah, there used to be like a ton of stuff down here. And my Christmas stuff is up there, and also my luggage. And then here is my desk. I don't know, this you can kind of say messy because look at all this like stuff from crafts I did. So I'd consider this messy, but I mean, I don't really know. Anyways, this is a book that I've been reading, and I absolutely love it. It's so long, but I still love reading that book. And then we have some lotion. We have notebook, pencil pouch, radio. I don't know what this is doing down here. It's supposed to be in my squishy collection. I'll organize that later. And chapsticks, whatever that is. I forgot what it is. And other stuff that I don't even use. And then in here is like, just like paper. So this is where I put my squishy pack things, but they're not filled yet. The stuff is in there. I just take it out and put it in there and then tape it back up. This is not organized. Some like crafts and crossword puzzle and other stuff that I don't really use that much either. I don't know why these are here. Anyways, we have these like lights that I thought we were gonna put up, but I don't really know if we're gonna put them up at all. And like we have a book, a shine light through thing where you can like shine the flashlight through the holes. We have this painting that I forgot to finish. Some stuff from VBS, not last week, but like the week before last week. And just some random stuff that I don't even know what that is. And we also have this bag, but like it's from VBS, but I just took all this stuff, like these lights were in this bag, but I just took it out. I forgot to take that out though. Next section, we are on my bookshelf, and honestly, I like it, but I thought I was gonna put like way more books and stuff in here, but it's fine. Maybe like in the future. Anyways, here are most of my books. I have this book, these random books, and then we have this painting that I did not paint. We also have this glue that probably should be in my desk, but whatever. Rubber band kit, Apple pencil. This is not Apple. I don't know what brand it's from. This thing from VBS also. The trading hub signs that I used in my first trading hub video. And then we have more stuff. We have that thingy for church. Kind of looks like a lunchbox, but it's not. We have like some notebooks and some devotionals, and this purse that I don't really use anymore. This purse, we bought it for a school event. So, and these two hats. I also have this random puzzle up here that I don't even use anymore. And some stuff in here, and hats and random stuff. That's basically it. Like, it's not really interesting. And then right here we have my 2 bags that I used for 1 week of summer camp. It wasn't like a overnight camp. It was just Monday through Friday, and I'm going again in July, but like maybe the middle or the end of July. So we have that, and then we have my dresser. It's my iPad I was just on, and my light, a bag that I have for my best friend, whatever that is. This sticky notes, art kit, art stuff, and this is a crown that I did for the other summer camp I went. And guys, that's literally basically it, because my room is small. I mean, it's not like that small to where I don't like it, but it's small. It's like, okay, so when we bought this house, it was not as small as I thought it was before the furniture was in here. So anyway, guys, that is it. Make sure to like and subscribe and join the journey with Carissa McCracken. And stay tuned for that thing that was in the intro that said coming soon. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe and join the journey with Carissa McCracken. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.